If you're looking for a professional way to press any bicycle-related bearing, this must be your last stop. Unior's Universal Bearing Press. Okay, let's dig into it. Unior's Universal Bearing Press set comes packed in a workshop box, fitted with SOS foam, so everything stays perfectly organized. The threaded stem includes a traditional threaded handle, but it also includes a quick-release system. The system has two modes, a closed and an open mode. When open, the quick-release system can be installed quickly and effectively on the threaded stem. When switched to the locked mode, the quick-release system becomes a traditional threaded handle. The bearing press set can be used with BB30 and all the press-fit bottom brackets. It also comes packed with plenty of bearing adapters to fit most or all of your needs. Finally, it comes with two plastic-coated adapters to protect carbon surfaces when pressing bearings. When pressing a bearing, place the compatible bearing adapter on the stem against the bearing. Slide in the quick-release system and switch it to the locked position. At this point, rotate the handles until the bearing is completely pressed in. To remove the quick-release system, rotate it anti-clockwise and switch it to the open position. Remove the quick-release system from the stem. Finally, take off the bearing adapter and the tool. Nice, isn't it? If you liked it, just pop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.